and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we are on episode number 74.
What are we going to draw today?
We are drawing green from Rainbow Friends.
Yes, we are gonna learn how to draw green from Rainbow Friends. Very easy step-by-step drawing of Rainbow Friends character green. As always, we need a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors. And in this case, we only need one color, that is green. Let's start.
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah.
Great. Okay.
Let's try with the eyes.
No, we'll start with something else this time again.
The body.
The body.
Why?
What do you mean by why?
Because it's a very easy drawing.
Yeah.
Because everything is connected.
Yes. Hmm?
Now green has 3 fingers. The purple had 4 and green has 3.
Okay. Now the time for making the eyes.
I finished everything. Ready to color. I'm just making the outlines, okay?
Parikshit was fast this time.
These are a very easy drawing actually.
I'm also done. We color green with green. So we have 3 kind of colors that we would be doing on the screen. The first would be this light green. So what we do is color the entire green with the lighter one. What happened? You took the wrong green?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the perfect thing. Can you give me the light green ones?
Yeah. Okay.
Look at what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
The light is green. I put it right here.
I'm done with the coloring of green.
And that is
By the time Parikshit finishes his coloring, like I said before, do not forget to share your drawings. If you are following us, if you have been drawing with us, if you have been learning with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids for Learn Club and hashtag Kids for Learn Club. And your profile, your drawings can get featured on our Instagram and our YouTube, on our different social media channels. You get the fame,
goodies.
the goodies, the surprises just for you.
Mine looks better. The
Yeah.
light is green.
Okay.
The dark green, the normal green, the
Finish
light
your
green.
part.
Look, I put very light green on the lightest green.
Parikshit has tried to use different types of green color, different variations, the lighter ones, the darker ones, and all. And it looks good. Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Where's your light green? Where's the light?
All are mixed up. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this drawing. This was episode number 74 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And in every single drawing, we are going more than 6 minutes because when I used to have drawing, we love drawing and we do not remember when the 6 minute crosses.
Yeah.
See you in the next episode number 75. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye.